Hey everybody, Dave Hooke here with the Brand Ambassador Program and the Dave Hooke Real Estate team over at Keller Williams. And I'm here with Becky of Waymark Property Management. Of course, we're going to learn a little bit more about Becky's story and the story of Waymark in our community. Thanks for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, so tell the audience who you guys are. What exactly does Waymark do?
I'm Becky Richardson. I'm the Managing Director of Waymark Property Management, and we are a property management company here in South Central Pennsylvania.
Yeah, so full service property management, and they obviously, I'm a little biased, but Waymark manages 30 plus units of my own. So like Becky said, all of South Central PA, residential property management, some commercial too. Yeah, so you know, if there's a customer out there, you know, curious, what are some questions or a question that you often get asked by somebody in the community?
We get asked, you know, what exactly do you do and what part of the process?
Yeah.
And the answer is we run the whole gamut of property management services, everything from marketing and move-in to leasing to maintenance, turnovers, move-outs, marketing again. So all of it. All of it.
I love that. And my favorite thing about property management is I used to self-manage, and I did it unfortunately for 12 years. And when Waymark took over, I realized I got all of my peace of mind back because I didn't have any of those 2 a.m. phone calls or any of those issues. And the thing that I think people don't understand is because you're the expert, you guys can price the properties and help improve them. So I actually netted more as a landlord after Waymark took over management than I did when I self-managed. So I got my time back and conserved capital in my investment as well, which is awesome.
Wonderful.
So what do you, just think about the last year or so, what are you most proud of and what are you most excited about in the future?
I'm most proud of the growth. We've been increasing the size of our portfolio, the number of properties we manage, bringing on new landlords. It's always fun to see and work with people who have, you know, their first properties and they're sort of starting to hand them over like you. So just to see the potential, I think, is the most fun.
I love it. And what are you most looking forward to and excited about in the next year or so?
We have been putting in great processes in place to ensure that growth so that we can continue to grow and that we have a really solid foundation and that the owners and tenants can both really have great services.
A great experience. I love process, and as Waymark has gotten over 300 units in the community, those processes are necessary to create a great customer experience. So I'm excited that for Waymark as well. Now, if somebody's out there and they are thinking, gosh, I'm a landlord, I've been self-managing, or I'm going to be a landlord, whether they have 1 unit or 30 units, how can they get in touch with you if they want to learn more about what Waymark can do for them?
You can call or email me directly, 717-229-7400, or just email me directly at becky@waymarkpropertymanagement.com.
I love that. So if you're there and you have a property or you're thinking about getting one, you just want a free consultation, so you can get an evaluation on what Waymark can do for you to get some peace of mind back and preserve your investment as well. Call 717-229-7400. That's 717-229-7400. You can also reach them at waymarkpropertymanagement.com. It's waymarkpropertymanagement.com, and Becky and team will take great care of you. Thanks for being with us today.
Thank you. This was great.
And thanks everybody for watching. We'll talk to you real soon.